Safi? Alexa, room on. Alexa, strip on. Alexa, strip to red. Alexa, strip to blue. Alexa, strip. Actually, no, I like this color. Alright, guys, where is Safi? Hey, buddy boo, I know you like to hide under here. I know you like to hide under my bed. Where could he be? He's not under here. Does he even hide here? It's not going. I hate this. Safi, where are you? Where do I have crap under my bed? Get there. Glad I didn't cross you. That would be really bad. Where is he? Is he in my bathroom? Oh wait, I think I know where he is. Anyway, hi guys. I think I know where he is. I wish I had a head camera. Hi, buddy. I don't like the floor. The floor's too hard. I think Safi's getting old. He's not, when he uses the litter box, he's not always, he thinks it's going in the litter box and it's really not. Like, come on, your waste has to go in the litter box. Right, Safi? He likes his head itched. I do this, he just forces my hand or something, unless, I don't know. It's kind of cute. Yes, I heard that growl. You love the bathroom, it's warm here. You know why it's warm in the bathroom even though there's like no vents? I don't know if you could hear that like pipe or something. Well, you know, it's actually that the furnace is under the bathroom. It's warm in here, that's why. And the floor is warm with the furnace. This is like brick or something, stone, sandstone, I don't know. And the furnace is right under it. And you hear a gas pipe somewhere here. This is the toilet, but you hear like a pipe here, and then it turns on as like the gas, for gas. Runs on gas. Remember when the furnace stopped working? And I posted a video of like Safi, and Safi is cold and curious. Or Safi by the fireplace. there's a reason he didn't come in here. This floor would have been cold. But Safi, you're glad that we have the heat on. He didn't seem too bad because, you know, he has fur on. But, like, guys, we have skin. We have hairs on our arms, and sometimes we have hair on our head. That's how God created us. Guys, just so you know, God is real. Believe it or not. And there is a lot of life ahead. There's a lot of life. There's life in space. You know that, guys? There's a lot of galaxies and a lot of planets. Thousands, millions, gazillions, infinities of galaxies, planets, and universe in space. And God created all of that. There has to be a God in order for, like, a cat like him, humans. And humans are like the only living thing that can build houses, do anything, yo. We have hands. Hands are a blessing. Like, you can pet your cat. God made cats too. See, God makes cats have beautiful colors of fur, like black cats like Safi. We pray for him. And he's 20 years old, man, and he's still good. Right, Safi? Believe in God. And you probably think, what the heck am I talking about? You probably think God isn't real because people are always dying. People don't pray for protection. So, if you pray, praying will make your day better. Praying will protect you. God, it tells God, request God to protect you during day and night. You have to pray every day and night. We Muslims pray almost all the time. We pray almost all the time, 5 times a day, man. Before bed in the morning. Pray in the morning first to start your day. Pray in the night to start your sleep. You know, you're right, Safi? We pray for you. You're the best cat ever. So you guys, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be posting more videos of like me and the cars and stuff, more Safi videos. And yeah. Alright, Safi. Maybe I should post another one with like Mom's. Look at that yawn. Yo, do it again. Yawn again. You're so cute. I zoomed in on you. You're so cute. Maybe he'll yawn again. He has whiskers. The whiskers are his nerves. He feels it right now. If you touch these, it'll wake him up. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video of Safi. That other one was kind of crappy. I did pet him at least. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'll be posting more videos. And Safi, you want to say something before we head out? Your mouth? Is that how your mouth talks? Okay, guys, make sure to like and subscribe. And peace out.